Different types of SF6 circuit breakers, tailored for specific needs. SF6 circuit breakers come in two main configurations, each suited for different applications based on voltage level and current interruption requirements. 1. NONPUFFER type. Simpler design. The NONPUFFER type boasts a less complex design compared to its SINGLEPRESSURE buffer counterpart. This translates to potentially lower upfront costs and easier maintenance. Compressed gas arc quenching. Similar to air blast circuit breakers, the NONPUFFER type utilizes a high-pressure stream of SF6 gas to extinguish the arc during current interruption. Lower current applications. Due to its simpler design and reliance on a single blast of gas, the NONPUFFER type is typically suited for low and medium voltage applications where fault currents are less severe. 2. SINGLEPRESSURE buffer type. Enhanced efficiency. The SINGLEPRESSURE buffer SF6 circuit breaker incorporates a moving buffer cylinder. This cylinder's axial movement creates a compressed air pocket around the arc during interruption. This compressed zone significantly improves arc quenching efficiency. More complex design. The inclusion of the moving buffer cylinder adds complexity to the design compared to the NONPUFFER type. This can result in potentially higher manufacturing costs. Medium and high voltage applications. The increased efficiency of the SINGLEPRESSURE buffer type makes it ideal for medium and high voltage applications where fault currents can be much higher. This type is the most widely used SF6 circuit breaker today due to its effectiveness in handling these demanding conditions. Conclusion. In conclusion, both NONPUFFER and SINGLEPRESSURE buffer SF6 circuit breakers offer reliable arc interruption using the exceptional properties of SF6 gas. However, the selection depends on the specific voltage level and current interrupting requirements of the application.